As registered dietitians, we get a lot of questions about how to fuel properly for races and other exercise. So we're going to answer the top 5 nutrition questions that we get around this topic. Protein is an important part of a balanced diet, but eating more protein will not magically make you stronger. The only way to grow muscles is to put them to work. That can be everything from walking, to weightlifting, to running, to yoga, to biking. Carbohydrates are actually the major fuel for muscles. The body converts carbohydrates to something called glycogen, which is stored in your muscles to power your workout. Most people can get enough protein from food alone, but when thinking about protein, animal products often come to mind first. However, there are many plant-based protein sources that are also packed with other essential nutrients, everything from fiber to vitamins to minerals and antioxidants. If you're looking to up your protein intake, try adding foods like beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and even some vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, peas, and sweet potatoes to your meals and snacks. There's nothing special about the many sports drinks, gels, and energy bites on the market, but it is important to replace lost fluids as well as provide carbohydrates to maintain blood sugar levels while working out for longer than about 1 hour. For some, eating solid food in the middle of a workout can cause digestive upset. In these cases, easily consumed sports gels, chews, or drinks may help. When you exercise for longer than about 60 to 90 minutes, especially when you're sweating, it's a good idea to use an electrolyte replacement, either sports drink or gels, in addition to water that contain both sodium and potassium. You may also need to start replacing carbohydrates to maintain your effort, so a sports drink that contains both carbs and electrolytes can be helpful. Exercising for less than about an hour, water is the best way to replenish your body.
Not quite. It's easy to overestimate the amount of calories you burn while working out. You should adjust your calorie intake if you're engaging in serious training, such as for a triathlon, where you might be working out more than once a day. Recovery nutrition is also important if you're an athlete participating in strenuous activity, especially if you're performing multiple events in the same day. Otherwise, if you're an average exerciser working out for an hour or less per day, a nutritious, balanced diet will work just fine to fuel your lifestyle. Everyone is a little different, but all bodies need fuel to function. This is especially true when you're asking your body to be active by walking, running, dancing, swimming, or lifting weights. Whether you like to exercise in the mornings, afternoons, or evenings, having a small meal or snack before your workout can help improve your performance by providing energy and leveling out your blood sugar levels. Some great foods to eat before a workout are fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein foods like nut butters and low-fat dairy. Try pairing carrots with string cheese or an apple with whole grain crackers. If you prefer to exercise in the mornings and it's hard for you to stomach solid food first thing in the morning, try a smoothie or a smoothie bowl. And it's always important to remember to hydrate before you exercise, not just during or after.
Yes, but it doesn't have to be your only friend. Chocolate milk is full of carbohydrates and protein, making it a great recovery aid, but there are lots of other choices out there. The most important thing to do after a workout is to hydrate and replace those lost fluids. Plain water and water-rich foods like fruit are great choices. Also, make sure you eat a balanced meal within a couple hours of working out to help your muscles recover. If your workout was strenuous, eat some carbs within about a half hour of finishing a workout. So go ahead and grab a glass of chocolate milk, a bowl of whole grain cereal, or a homemade smoothie with some Greek yogurt.